Alright, this video is going to be going over market structure and liquidity, which I think is one of the few ICT concepts or any concepts that you need to really master and pay attention to. Okay, right here is 9:30 open. Prior to that, we have London lows here. We have Asia lows all the way down here and a pull here. This is a perfect example of OTE. So at 9:30, where are we at? We're at what, all-time highs here? Or pretty close. Yeah, we're at all-time highs. So there's really no buy side. Yeah, you can go for long and hope it creates a higher high or whatever, but you would probably be looking short on this day. But bear with me because you can make money both ways. But 9:30 opens, aggressive move down, taking out a swing low. We don't really displace through it, but we don't wick just below it either. So not the best example, but fair value gap here, 5 minute, and there's also on the 15. If you pull it up on the 15, is right here. So OT on both time frames. Now on the hourly, it looks awful. Back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. But on these lower time frames is where you can really zoom in. So 9:30 opens down. We take out what? We take out London low. That's one of our targets. Okay, we didn't get in that trade. What time is it? 10:10, right at the end of a macro. What are we doing? We're in a fair value gap. Should it respect? I mean, we would hope so. As it starts rejecting, you get in, say at 194, stop above, probably right here. That's a 24-point stop, so you're going to target 50 to 75 points. And as you can see, it went from 195, right at 90 points. So you got a 1 to 3 easy. But I know this is hindsight, but I'm just showing you how to use time-based liquidity. We take buy side, we break down. We've already took out London, so we can aim for, Asia or, whatever our risk model is, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, that sort of thing. We hit it easily here. Same way on a 15-minute time frame. But just creating the narrative for the day, saying, okay, we've come up, we're at all-time highs again, we're rejecting hard, we've took out London low, so we come back up, OTE special, boom. And if you go through here and look, I'm going to 15-minute. It does this a lot. If I can find one that's got some open here. But just using time-based levels and using fair value gaps and order blocks to navigate order flow. But I just wanted to show a real quick example of OTE using time-based liquidity. We've took out London highs, we've rejected, took out a swing low, come back up into the area, and start to break back down. Then you'd get in targeting, these lows or your model 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. But that's how you can use time-based liquidity as targets or as entries, and using ICT concepts. The OTE model was presented today, and I just wanted to to go over that for anybody that might not have saw it. It's the silver bullet as well, 10 to 11, right? What happens? We take out what low? We got the 8:30 Judas. We shoot up. 8 o'clock low is this candle here. So that's the previous hour low. And 9 to 10 lows here. So we take out both of those. and that would be the 10 to 11 o'clock Silver Bullet as well. So that's the OTE and Silver Bullet model was presented today, and I just wanted to show you how you can use these time-based liquidity levels to create narrative to determine your bias for the session, instead of getting right in here at 9:30 and you're like, okay, we're short, jump in short. Oh man, you get wicked out, and then you've blown your account before the move happens. You know, that 950 to 1010 macro was real good, especially for Silver Bullet, you know, the OTE Silver Bullet. So just drilling that home. Just stay patient. I want to go the rest of this week and just be studying. On my personal trading, I'm building some capital. I've got some accounts, but I'm just going through a bad streak right now, and stuff like this is going to help me really zoom in and learn. So I hope this did help somebody. And you know, the 2 to 3 o'clock Silver Bullet as well. You know, probably did hit somewhere in here, maybe on a lower time frame. Maybe it didn't come back. Yeah, right here. Okay. Respected this, and we've got our low, our 1 o'clock low is here, and we hit it right here right on the dot, 259. Boom, taking out that low. So both Silver Bullets were in play today. Just keep an eye out for that. You know, it don't happen every day, but it does happen often, and it happens, you know, 10 to 11, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. It's just the 10 to 11 and 2 to 3 doing New York are the ones that happen most often, but more than normal, or more than likely, there is a Silver Bullet that happens almost every hour, one way or another. So I appreciate you. God bless you. I hope this helps you. And good luck trading.